Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. From the past episode, I have guided you how to earn US dollar in 3 minutes from a platform called Microworkers.com. Today, I'm going to guide you the same thing at Microworkers.com, but for this round, I'm going to show you how to earn money by watching a YouTube video in just 3 minutes. Let's see the step. I will be using my smartphone for the second demonstration. Alright, we got one of the YouTube jobs here and the payout is 10 cents. Click accept and start. You can get all the instructions from this link. Not this one. Yes, this one. Copy it and paste it into the second tape. Do $2.99 and here is the instruction from the employer. The first thing is you have to copy the YouTube link and paste it into the third tape. Click the like button and remember to note down what's the number of your like. Back to the first tape. Did you subscribe us? Click yes. Like here is 796. Employer are require you to drop a comment to their video. Make sure your comment in this column is exactly same with the comment you drop in the YouTube. Okay, I copy this comment. And paste this comment into the YouTube. As requested by the employer, I'm required to share this post into my social media. Alright, I will share to my Twitter. This is a very nice and back to my Twitter and I can see the comment I posted just now. What you need to do here is copy the link. And paste it to the URL. The conclusion for this job is, did you subscribe us? Click yes and key in the number of like and what comment you did in their YouTube and URL of a share post. Click submit button and back to the job page. You can see the money is already inside here.
Right about now, the Funk Soul Brother. Check it out now.